Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are doing very well.
Fine, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? Hi, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? Hi, ma'am. Good
Good
morning, ma'am.
morning.
How are
Good
you,
morning.
ma'am?
I am fine. Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I am fine. Thank you. Okay, everyone. Okay, so before starting today's class, everyone join your hands and close your eyes. First of all, let us do prayer. So everyone, join your hands. Okay, everyone, now you can open your eyes. Can you see me, kids?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay,
Ma'am.
everyone. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Yes, ma'am. See.
Okay, okay, beta. Yes, someone was asking me something. Yes, Hasti?
मैम आप एक दो कराने वाले हो?
Yes, Hasti. Okay, kids. So, before we start today's class, I will take your attendance. So, please be ready for your attendance. As I say your name, you have to say yes, ma'am or present, ma'am. Okay. So, everyone, please keep your mic off. Okay. Pulasya Agara. Okay. Okay, Pulasya. Dharam Borania.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ruhi Bloch.
Present, ma'am.
Detharia.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ayu Detroja.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Princy Detroja. Madhav Paladia.
Mother Claudia is present, ma'am.
Okay. Manasvi Jetloja.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Switch Kagatra.
Present.
Okay. Navya Kela. Priyansh Kawar.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Kiran Khandeka. Nirmit Mistry.
Ma'am, Mr. Present.
Okay. Naksh Patadia. Arav Patel.
Hello, Patel. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Durva Patel.
Durva Patel is present, ma'am.
Okay. Nitya Raj.
present ma'am.
Okay. Shlok Sanja.
Shlok Sanja is present ma'am.
Okay. Kevin Savaria.
SI.
Kevin Savaria. Jignasha Senapati.
Present ma'am.
Okay. Sakshi Sharma. Shraddha Undavya.
Present ma'am. Shraddha Undavya is present ma'am.
Okay. Dhruva Vamja. Hasti Patel. Hasti Patel. Hasti, turn on your mic and then say. Okay. Krisha Pataria. Devesh Mungia.
Present ma'am. Devesh Mungia is present.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Hasti Patel is present ma'am.
Yes, Hasti, your present is done. Okay. Okay, kids. So, yesterday, please everyone, Hasti सी, मैं आपका माइक ऑफ कर रही हूँ. आप प्लीज उसे ऑन मत कीजिए. ठीक है. मैं जब आपसे अगर कोई क्वेश्चन पूछूं, एट दैट टाइम आप अपना माइक ऑन कर सकते हैं. तब तक आप अपना माइक ऑन नहीं करेंगे. ओके हस्ती. तो मैं अभी आपका माइक ऑफ कर रही हूँ. अब आप उसे ऑन नहीं करोगे. अगेन. Okay. Okay, kids. So, yesterday we started. Okay. So, yesterday we started Unit 2. That is My Family. Okay. So, this story is about, or this unit, this unit is about our family. That how can we take care of our family members, that we should help our elders. Okay, so this is what is shown in this, or that is what you are going to learn from this unit. So yesterday we completed getting started activity. Okay, that was the picture and then some blank spaces were given and we had to fill that spaces with the help of pictures and words given in the box. Then we did listening activity. Then in phonics we did CH sound. Okay, and then we also completed its textbook exercise of phonics, that is CH. Now tell me, what is the sound of CH? When C and H comes together, what is the sound? Yes. Yes. Very good, everyone. Yes, so that is ch. Yes. So whenever CH comes in a word, whether it is at the starting, in the middle, or at the end of the word, it sounds as ch. Okay. Please, beta, turn off your mic now. Now, please turn it off. Yes. Everyone check your mic, and whoever mic is on, turn it off. Okay. So that is what we did yesterday, and question number 2 on page number 22 was your homework. Right. So see. So this was your yesterday's homework. So in this I told you to write names of these pictures. Then there was one more thing that we had to do is that circle the letters with CH sound in each word. See kids, in each word, okay, in this each word, we had to circle those letters that give a CH, that is ch sound. Okay, so that I told you that don't do that, just write names of the pictures. Okay, so this we will do now. So everyone, please open page number 22 in your textbook. That is question number 2. Page number 22 in your English textbook. Page number 22. Okay. So this question number 2 we will do. So the first picture is of chocolate, right? It is of chocolate. So in this, which letters give us CH sound? Is it CH, that is ch sound? CH gives or the CO gives?
Chocolate.
Yes, it is chocolate. But in this, which letters give us ch sound?
CH.
Yes, that is CH. So we have to circle CH. Okay. So we will circle CH. Yes.
CH.
Okay. Bus, okay. Yes. Very good, everyone. Okay, so that is CH. Then next, so you have to circle this, okay? You have to circle CH in this. No one will turn on their mic, beta, because as you turn it on, my screen becomes small. So others cannot see these. Please don't turn on your mic. Then next is watch. Watch. So in this also CH, that is ch sound, is made by CH. Now third picture is of switch. Yes, Kevin. Now concentrate here, beta. Attend this. Sorry. Now next is switch. Okay, so in this, ch sound is made by letters CH. Then next picture is of teacher. Again, ch sound is made by CH. And next is, that is last picture is of children. So again, CH makes ch sound. Okay, yes. So we have to circle this. So by this we completed our phonic activity that was remaining. Okay kids, now, yes, okay. Now let us move towards our language ladder. Everyone in your textbook here, okay, here, write CW and today's date. When language ladder is given, write CW and today's date. CW and date is written over here. So, now first of all we will discuss language ladder. So in language ladder it is given A and the. Okay, A and the is given. See kids, you don't have to write this. Okay, you have to just see, listen and just understand it. This is just for your understanding purpose. You don't have to write. Okay, so let us start with A. So where do we use? Yes, but before starting with that, can anyone tell me that what do we call A and the? Like meaning words have other name, that is noun. Similarly, A and the. Yes, very good.
Article.
That is article. Yes, very good, beta. Yes. So that is article. Yes. Okay, everyone. Yes, so that is articles. Yes. So A and the is also known as articles. Okay. Now see. Where do we get? Yes.
ये आर्टिकल तीन टाइप के होते हैं, A and the.
Yes, Devesh. Articles. So these are A, N, and the are articles. Now let us see that where do we use A. So A is used for words that are only one in number, and when the word begins with a consonant sound. That is, the starting of the word or the starting sound or the beginning sound is consonant. So we use A with words that are only one in number and that have consonant sound as beginning sound. For example, boy. Boy. It is only one in number and also the beginning sound is B. That is consonant. So that is A. Then we use N for the words that are also one in number but their beginning sound is vowel. That is A, E, I, O, U. So their beginning sound is vowel. For example, onion. Okay, that is, I know that we call it as onion, but it is not read or spoken as onion. It is onion. Okay. So onion. So its beginning sound is vowel and it is also one in number. So we use an onion. And last one is the. The we use for both. That is, it can be used for words that are one in number and also objects. Words mean objects. Objects that are one in number and more than one. If they are one, then also we will use the, and if they are more than one, then also we use the. And it can also be used for words or for objects that begin with consonant sound and vowel sound. Okay, so if a word, if the beginning sound of any word is consonant or it is vowel, then the can be used for both the sounds. Okay, now see, A and N are used for any object. They can be used for any object, but they have to be for if A then one and consonant sound, and for N also one in number and vowel sound. But the is used only for particular object. Particular object, that is specific object. Okay, that is, for example, the things, the objects that are only one in number. Okay, that is the sun. Okay, now you will ask me, but ma'am, you said that it can be also used for more than one. Yes, it can be used for more than one, but the objects that are all over the world, which are only one in number. Okay, for example, sun or moon, because sun is only one, moon is only one. Okay, our earth, so the solar system, the Mars, the Jupiter, that is other name of other planets. Okay, so for them we use the. Then second we use the for the objects or for the things that we are talking about for the second time. For example, see, I have a dress. Okay, I have a dress. So dress is a naming word, and as it is only one in number, so I use a because D is consonant sound. So I have a dress. The dress is black. The dress is black. Okay, as I am talking about dress for the second time, so I use the. So when we talk about something for the second time, so for them we use the. Okay, and we also use the for things to whom, about whom both of us know. For example, see, I am talking with someone. Okay, and we both know about same thing. मतलब हम दोनों को उस चीज के बारे में पता है. So for that thing also we use the. Okay, just for example, I and my family members. Okay, so we all know about our one room. Okay, so that is our bedroom. So the bedroom. So for that thing, I have to use the. Okay, so that is where we use the. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I know some of the kids, one time they said yes, but still they are repeating. No, you will not repeat.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
मैम जब भी कोई कॉन्सोनेंट और कोई वन थिंग आएगी तो वहाँ पे ए लगेगा।
Yes.
और जब
Then
भी
we have to add that.
और जब भी वोवल आएगा तो एन लगेगा।
Yes.
और द ओट के लिए भी लगता है।
Yes.
यस मैम।
Okay,
यस
everyone.
मैम।
Now everyone, who was this? Yes, ma'am. Yes. See, you will not do this, okay? Whoever it was, जो अभी ये जो अभी था, ये फर्स्ट टाइम नहीं किया है आपने, इससे पहले भी एक बार किया था। Yes, ma'am. No. If I say it one time yes, then आपको yes एक बार ही बोलना है। दूसरी बार फिर इस तरीके से I will not allow. So keep this thing in your mind. Okay. Now everyone open page number 22. That is again the same page. Okay. So this language letter we did. So I explained you here. Okay. And now we will do pre-reading portion. This one, pre-reading. So let us start. See.
मैम 32 नहीं है, 22 है पेज।
मैंने 22 ही कहा है बेटा। मुझे इतना तो पता है कि मैं कौन सा पेज नंबर मुझे ओपन करने के लिए कहना है आपको। Pre-reading portion. Okay. Now look at the picture and describe grandpa in your own words. So here see, a picture of grandpa is given. So we have to look at the picture and then we have to describe the grandpa. Now see, how can we describe him? So see, first of all we will describe his expression. Look, can you describe the expression on his face? So by looking at his face, so what do you think? Which type of expression does he have? Expression means, see, if I am happy, then I will smile, right? If I am sad, then I will do like this. If I am shocked or if I am surprised, then I will do. So these all are my expressions. While I am happy, okay. While I am angry, then I will do like this. So this is my angry face expression, okay. So these are the expressions of our face. So what do you think by looking at the picture? So yes, very good Manasvi. That is, he seems to be happy. So the expression on his face is happy. Yes, very good. Okay. Now next question is, see, does he look like your grandpa? How are they similar? So by looking at the picture, what do you think? Does he look like your grandfather? Yes or no? You have to write it in the chat box. Okay, you can write yes or no, or you can give thumbs up on the phone yes. No. Okay, so it does not look like your grandpa. Okay. No, okay. So is there no one? कोई भी ऐसा नहीं है जिनके ग्रैंडफादर इनके जैसे दिखते हैं? No? Okay, everyone. Okay. So according to you, that is according to everyone, this picture does not match with your grandfather. Okay. So now see kids, I have three questions for you. Okay, I have 3 questions for you. In that, you have to describe about your grandfather. Now see, how you, please listen to me very carefully, please. Everyone, now just come back to the screen. No one will keep your chat box open. Just come to the screen and listen to me. See, I have 3 questions for you. I will share a PDF of those questions, and according to that you have to write answers. See, this is how you are going to write. I will share PDF of this, so don't worry. See this. So the first question, okay, so this is how you will write. That is not now, okay. Don't write it now. I will share PDF of this, but this is how you have to write. See here, class work. Now see pre-reading. First question is your grandfather tall or short? Tall, that is tall and short. Okay, so the first question is your grandfather tall or short? So if he is tall, then see, first of all you will write question.
मैम आप PDF में शेयर करोगे?
Yes. Please keep your mic off, beta. Please. Okay. Turn off your video, beta. Turn off your video. Nitya, turn off your video, beta. It is on. Okay. See. So you have to write this question. And if he is tall, then you will write, my grandfather is tall. And if he is short, then your answer should be, my grandfather is short. Okay, so in that way you have to write your answer for the first question. That is A. Now B. Is his hair white? Hair. Okay, if they are white, then you will write yes, his hair is white. And if no, then no, his hair is not white. And then C. Does he wear glasses? Glasses. Okay. So if he wears glasses, then yes. Yes, he wears. So if your question is, does he wear glasses? And if he wears his glasses, then you will write yes, he wears glasses. And if no, then no. No, he does not wear glasses. So in that way, you have to write this question and give answer according to your grandfather. Okay. Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so you will write answer according to your grandfather. Okay, so you have to, in this way you have to describe. Now everyone, please better keep your mic off. Okay, now everyone, please open page number 23. That is this reading of the chapter. Now we will start reading of the chapter. This. And also keep your pencils ready as we are going to underline the words also. Now see kids, this is a very interesting story, okay, in which there is a grandpa. It is a story about a grandfather. Okay, so grandpa, he loses his glasses, that is spectacles. Okay, so loses means खो जाना. उनके जो ग्लासेस थे, दैट इज स्पेक्टेकल्स जो थे, वो उनसे खो गए हैं, कहीं पे गुम हो गए हैं. एंड वो उन्हें सर्च तो कर रहे हैं, ही इज सर्चिंग फॉर इट, बट ही इज नॉट एबल टू फाइंड देम. So through this chapter we are going to know that how he will find, how he or others will find his glasses, how they are going to find them. And at the end of the chapter, there is something that you will actually love about this. Okay, you will come to know that where they were and if they were really lost or not. Okay, so let us start. See, I will keep my book in this way. Okay, so can you see this? Can you all see where I am placing my pencil? Yes? Right, yes or no? Okay, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so let us start. Everyone will look into your book, or otherwise it is okay if you look here. Grandpa was not in a good mood today. तो grandpa का आज जो mood था वो अच्छा नहीं था. He was busy searching for something. Please underline word searching. Please underline this word, that is searching. And see, in this word, ch sound is given, that is searching. Searching means खोजना कुछ, find करने के लिए जाना. So he was not in a good mood और वो कुछ ढूंढ रहे थे, बिजी थे कुछ ढूंढने में. He came into the kitchen. फिर वो किचन में आते हैं and asked grandma, have you seen my glasses? Please underline kitchen, the word kitchen and glasses. Kitchen and glasses.
मैम किसमें?
Yes.
किसमें अंडरलाइन किया आपने मैम?
Kitchen and glasses.
ग्लासेस कहाँ है मैम?
नेक्स्ट लाइन में है. Have you seen my glasses? Here.
Yes मैम.
Okay. So he came into kitchen. वो किचन में आते हैं, as you can see in the picture. And asked grandma. And then he asked grandma. Grandma से पूछते हैं, Have you seen my glasses? क्या आपने मेरे glasses देखे हैं? Grandma continued stirring the soup in the saucepan. See it, stirring. See, it is given. Move a spoon round and round in this blue box. That is, stir means to move a spoon round and round. This is called as stirring. Okay. When we move spoon round and round into something, that is this stirring. That is to mix something. Okay. So please underline stirring. The soup. So here in this picture, see, as you can see, that grandma is stirring the soup. This is soup, and with the help of spoon, she is stirring it. In the saucepan. This is saucepan. Okay, so let us see what a saucepan is. Look into this blue box. A deep cooking pan. It is something like a pan which is deep.
मैम.
It is something. Saucepan is something. Okay, it is something. Better wait a minute. Devesh, let me explain. Let me finish. Please.
मैम
Please turn off your mic. I say turn off your mic for some time, Devesh. Please turn off your mic for some time, Devesh. I will give chance to speak. Just for a while, turn it off. Okay. So saucepan is a cooking pan in which we can cook something, and it is deep. Okay, it is deep cooking pan. Yes, Devesh.
मैम मैं ये कह रहा था कि अभी आपने ये जो सॉसपैन थे पहले आपने कौन सा अंडरलाइन करने के लिए वर्ड बोला था?
Grandma continued stirring. Here stirring is given, so this you have to underline. This is stirring. Stirring.
Okay ma'am.
The soup in the saucepan. Please underline this word. This is saucepan. Okay, saucepan. And see. So grandma was stirring the soup. So in this saucepan, ये जो saucepan है उसमें soup है और उन्हें वो stir कर रहे थे. And said, no, I haven't. नहीं, मैंने तो नहीं देखा. Did you leave them in the bathroom? Okay. So then grandma asked the ग्रैंडपा। फिर वो उनसे पूछती है, कहीं पे किसी का माइक ऑन है बेटा प्लीज। Then grandma asked grandpa कि क्या आपने उसे कहीं बाथरूम में तो नहीं छोड़ दिया था। लीव मतलब छोड़ना, ओके। तो कहीं आपने उसे बाथरूम में तो नहीं छोड़ दिया। Then here, यहाँ, ओके, below the picture, I looked for them there. Then grandpa answered, उन्होंने आंसर दिया, मैंने वहां देख लिया। look मतलब देखना, ओके। तो ग्लासेस को them यहाँ पे ग्लासेस के लिए यूज हुए हैं, तो उन्होंने कहा कि वहां पे मैंने देख लिया। And I looked everywhere. Please underline word everywhere. This everywhere. Everywhere मतलब हर जगह। और वो उन्होंने कहा कि मैंने मैंने जो ग्लासेस है उन्हें हर जगह देख लिया। But I didn't find them. See, we read it as didn't, okay? But I didn't find them. लेकिन मुझे वो नहीं मिले। Can you help me to find them? Asked grandpa. Then grandpa asked grandma that can you help me to find them? क्या आप मेरी हेल्प कर सकते हो ग्लासेस को फाइंड करने में? That is them, that is used for glasses. I am busy making lunch for the children. See here, CH, that is ch sound is used for lunch and children. Please underline word lunch and children. Lunch and children. See, then grandma says, I am busy making lunch for the children. मैं चिल्ड्रन के लिए यानी बच्चों के लिए लंच बनाने में बिजी हूँ। Why don't you ask them to help you? Then grandma says, आप उन्हें ही क्यों नहीं पूछते कि वो आपकी हेल्प कर दे? You can tell them that it's a game, said grandma. Then grandma says कि आप उन्हें ये कह सकते हो, you can tell them means कि आप चिल्ड्रन को ये कह सकते हो that it's a game, कि वो एक गेम है। Now see kids here, game as it is one in number and G is a consonant, that's why here A is used, okay. So what grandma gives idea to grandpa is that she asks him that he calls the children and ask them कि वो बच्चों को ही वो कहती है कि आप चिल्ड्रन को बुला लो, वो आपको फाइंड करवाने में हेल्प कर देंगे। लेकिन उनसे ऐसा कहना कि that this is a game, okay. So kids, today we are going to read this one page only, okay. And in next week, that is from Monday, we will continue with further. Now see kids, the underlined word is your today's homework. Okay, I will share PDF of this. I have already written it in my book. Okay, so I will share PDF. See. So this is how you have to write. I will share PDF. Okay, so the pre-reading portion, that is those 3 questions about your grandfather and also this new word. So I will share PDF of both of these, and from that you can write, you can complete. Okay. Now see, there is some change. Now from today onwards or from now onwards, what we are going to do is, see, जैसे आज हमने ये 1 पेज रीड किया, राइट? तो इस 1 पेज के जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं, ओके, इन द अंडरस्टैंडिंग, दैट इज ऑन पेज नंबर 26. See this. So how many questions related to things that we did today are there? तो हम साथ साथ में ये भी करेंगे, ओके. दिस इज बिकॉज कि आपने जितना आज रीड किया उसमें आपने जितना सुना, द थिंग्स दैट यू अंडरस्टूड, वो आप इसके साथ साथ अगर हम ये भी सॉल्व कर लेंगे तो क्या होगा कि आपको वो अच्छे से याद हो जाएगा. दैट्स व्हाई. सो आज हमने ये वन पेज किया. वो आज वेट बेटा, आई एम टेलिंग, जस्ट वेट अ मिनट. सी आज हमने ये वन पेज किया है, ठीक है. तो इसके जितने भी क्वेश्चन हैं चाहे ट्रू और फॉल्स है, तो फर्स्ट हम वो कंप्लीट करेंगे. So everyone open page number 26. Page number 26. Now please put off your mind. Page number 26 in your textbook. Okay, so on page number 26, that is the understanding, we have question number 1, that is true or false. So this we will do now. That is only 2 questions of true or false, not all. So that is, first one is A. We will do just A and B. Okay, so our A, that is first true or false is, or first statement is, grandma was making lunch. Grandma was making lunch. Is it true or false?
True.
Yes, it is true. Yes, very good everyone. So here, yes. So here in this blank, here the
True.
yes, beta, true. So here the blank is given. See. Yes, beta, yes. Here the blank is given. In that first blank, you will write true. Now.
मैम आप पीडीएफ में शेयर करोगे?
No. This I will not share. It is just A and B. First two true or false we are going to do. No need to share PDF for this. No.
Yes, मैं लिखना.
ये तो रहा पेज नंबर 26 बेटा. पेज नंबर 26. Question number 1, true or false. It is given.
False.
Okay, now B. Grandpa found his glasses in the bucket. Which bucket in bucket? Is it
False.
False. Yes.
False.
False.
False, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, okay, beta, please put off your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So that is in B, that is false, because he looked into the bathroom, but there was big bucket in our bathroom, right? So he looked in the bathroom, but there he didn't find his glasses. Therefore, it is false. Okay, kids? That is true and false. Okay, kids. So this is all about today's classwork. So today we completed the question number 2 from phonics. Okay. Then we did language leader in that A and the. Then we did pre-reading of the chapter in which we discussed about grandfather, and I gave you 3 questions. Okay, PDF I will share. So in that PDF 2-3 questions are given, and so you have to write that question. You also have to write their answers. Okay, that is according to your grandfather. So that answers you have to write. Then we did reading of the chapter. reading, we did one page. Okay, in that we underlined new words. Those underlined words you have to write in your 1A notebook. You will write them in 1A notebook. Okay, and
मैम CDE नहीं करने हैं।
नो बेटा, वो हम नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज हमने वो अभी रीड नहीं किया है, राइट? हमने क्योंकि अभी तक वो रीड नहीं किया है, इसीलिए जब हम रीड करेंगे उसके बाद हम दूसरे जो क्वेश्चन है वो भी करेंगे आफ्टर वी कंप्लीट द रीडिंग। Okay, so kids, this is all about today's classwork. So that is what we did. I already explained homework to you, so that you have to complete in your 1A notebook. Okay, so that those new words. So those new words you have to write in 1A notebook. Okay, kids. So do anyone have any doubt regarding today's classwork? Okay, everyone, just okay. Yes,
मैम आई।
okay, yes, Manasvi.
मैम मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि जो वो क्वेश्चंस है वो भी होमवर्क है।
Which questions, Manasvi?
3 questions.
Yes, you can say that it is homework, okay, because you have to write their answers. Beta, I am talking to Manasvi. No one will turn on their mic. Harshit, keep your mic off, beta. Yes, we can say that we would have done it in the classwork only, but as it is about your grandfather, so everyone's answer will be different. So that's why I asked you to write those answers in your 1A notebook. Okay?
ओके मैम, तो उसमें होमवर्क लिखना है ना?
Okay, yes, you can write SW, yes.
ओके मैम।
Okay?
मैम
I want to tell.
थैंक यू मैम।
Okay, yes, welcome Manasvi. Now kids, please listen. हाँ हर्षी, मैंने कहा बेटा मैं PDF शेयर करूंगी, उसमें है वो। Okay kids, so this is all about today, and please don't be late for your next class. Okay, so now we will say bye bye to each other. So bye everyone, take care. Bye.